Welcome to Ngobatente Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. A channel. This is Ngobatente Shop I channel. We are here at Royal Bafokeng Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Scotland FC 0. My brother, how's it?
Hey, ngishapha umsenqobo.
A sharp man. Season ya yabula esikhale.
Wabona the way thomile ka ona none.
Yeah.
We are sure le ligi re inka.
Ora gore.
Ya ligi re thoma so akere.
Yeah.
Last season area winner cup.
The first time they win.
Yeah, the first time re winner. So meaning le ligi re inka. So I think Kaizer Chiefs iba peti sharp ka first half. Yeah, line up ya first half Kaizer Chiefs iba peti sharp. Then ka second half se ba chincha. Then ke bona re I know how sena structure.
Oh yes. Yeah.
So I think coach utsonse a train bafana ba bathomile ka first half.
First half, yeah.
Yeah, I think Chiefs iko compete this season.
Number one.
But other things, Kaizer Chiefs is a shorter player. Yeah, player tsengata dia shorter because re computer couple tsengata this season. Yeah, so I think Bobington guy you must bring some new faces at Kaizer Chiefs.
Which positions are you looking for?
I think the winger.
Yeah.
Number 7 and number 11 and backline number 3 at least Mtwei then Rekaba Sharp.
Okay.
But for now, it's a shorter the player who compete no, not league. Especially league and the whole cup. Real computer cup this season.
Exactly. Yeah.
So my player say like no, it's a shorter player to compete all this cup competition.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, thanks my brother.
Yeah, thank you Mr. Ngwabone.
Hola.